Black market iPhone 101, certified refurbished iPhones. The existence of a black market for iPhones, or any other product, typically arises due to various factors, including demand, supply chain vulnerabilities, and economic incentives. Here's why black market iPhones can exist and how it can happen. 1. Demand for cheaper devices ***. Many people desire iPhones but may not be able to afford the prices set by authorized retailers or carriers. The black market offers an alternative for obtaining iPhones at lower prices, albeit often without warranties or guarantees. 2. Price discrepancies across regions ***. iPhones may be priced differently in various regions due to factors like taxes, import duties, and currency exchange rates. This creates opportunities for individuals or groups to exploit price differentials by importing iPhones from cheaper regions and selling them in regions where they command higher prices. 3. Scarcity or exclusivity ***. Certain iPhone models or variants may be in high demand but limited in supply due to factors like production constraints or deliberate marketing strategies by Apple. This scarcity can drive up prices in the legitimate market and create opportunities for the black market to meet unmet demand. 4. Theft and fraud ***. iPhones are valuable and easily portable devices, making them targets for theft and fraud. Stolen iPhones may end up in the black market, where they are sold at discounted prices without regard for their legitimate ownership status. 5. Counterfeit or refurbished devices ***. The black market may also involve the sale of counterfeit iPhones that are designed to resemble genuine Apple products but are of inferior quality. Additionally, refurbished or second-hand iPhones may be sold on the black market without proper authentication or quality control measures. 6. Regulatory and legal gaps ***. In some regions, there may be regulatory or legal gaps that allow the black market to thrive. This could include lax enforcement of intellectual property laws, inadequate consumer protection measures, or corruption within regulatory agencies. How it happens *1. Supply chain leaks iPhones may enter the black market through leaks or breaches in the supply chain. This could involve theft from manufacturing facilities, unauthorized distribution channels, or collusion by employees within the supply chain. 2. Smuggling and trafficking iPhones may be smuggled into countries with high demand or sold through illegal trafficking networks that operate across borders. Smugglers may bypass customs duties and import regulations to bring iPhones into a country illegally. 3. Online marketplaces The internet provides a platform for individuals or groups to buy and sell iPhones anonymously, making it easier for black market transactions to occur. Online marketplaces, forums, and social media platforms may facilitate the sale of black market iPhones. 4. Offline networks Black market iPhones may also be sold through offline networks, including street vendors, flea markets, and underground retail outlets. These networks may operate discreetly to avoid detection by authorities. Overall, the existence of a black market for iPhones is a complex phenomenon influenced by various economic, social, and legal factors. Efforts to combat the black market typically involve increased enforcement of regulations, improved consumer education, and initiatives to address underlying issues such as poverty and inequality.